helping out another friend with this guy here. It's a all-in-one system. It's just EP-Ever stuff. It's not, they say it's UL listed, but I don't believe EP-Ever equipment is. It's just all in a steel box. It's not nothing major. We got some AGM batteries going with it. Yeah, looks alright. I think we're gonna put it right there on the wall, and then the AGMs are gonna be downstairs. Yeah, just a little bit of stuff. We got some roof racks, rails, and stuff like that. We got 4 solar panels to go in this. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Everything's all connected, and it's just lead acid batteries, so it's not like a big deal. But yeah, looks like it comes with all the stuff I would use for, we got lightning protection, DC breakers, main switch, grounds, roof racks, hardware. This is the charge controller and inverter. And we got the new style ground plate. This is, if you haven't seen these yet, this is what they use now. You just bury it flat in the ground like this. You just dig a hole and throw it right in the hole. You don't need to pound it in or nothing. Just bury it, throw it in the hole, or put it in the hole and bury it, and that's it. So, pretty nice little log cabin. Just being built. It's not quite finished. Pretty cool looking. Nice upstairs. Yeah, I gotta figure it out because it's just a crawl space underneath here. So the battery cables are only 6 feet tall, and pretty much gonna have to, I think I'm gonna go about 2 feet off the ground really, so we can make it to the batteries down below. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure it all out. Might have to drill a hole in the floor. Now this is the panel here, so all we're gonna do is just come through and hook into here. Now there is no power at this place other than solar. I've already got another little system here, but what do you do? We need more. So yeah, I'm gonna take that apart. I'm not sure if this has its own DIN rail in here. I would imagine it does. I'm hoping it does, because that means we have nowhere to put the breakers, so if we don't. Yeah, anyways, I'll get it all kind of set up and get some measurements, try and figure out where everything goes. Pretty straightforward, I guess. Nothing too major. Anyways, thanks guys. These are the batteries. Some Rolls Thread AGMs. They are, what are they? 460s. Pretty good. And we're through the floor over here. I'm gonna put a couple of posts that will stick onto the wall here, and then we'll post from there, and then positive to positive, negative to negative, and yeah, that's it for that. So that's that installed. I'm gonna get a wire tray that goes up there, a little piece that goes over this way to about here, which will just connect into the AC, and then I'll drill a hole in here somewhere or wherever's convenient, and it will come through here. Anyways, thanks guys. So I did the positive side. Go through the floor and then into the junction box here. I got 2, so there's no way that they could touch each other or anything like that. This is the positive, goes over to the positive terminal. The negative will go just directly on top and then to this negative terminal, and then I got covers for each so we can keep them covered. They're They're not waterproof, even though they are waterproof containers, but these are not waterproof fittings, so it is what it is. This is how it's going. But it is a UL CSA rated fuse, so 250 amps. There's a 4,000 watt inverter. 24 volts is around 160 amps, so this puppy should never pop. Anyways, we just come through the floor. I got the wire tray up there, so you can't see any of the wires going through. I am gonna go from the original system through here with the PV, and we're gonna start decommissioning that system. It's gonna go into a shipping container eventually. Figure out something with this battery temperature sensor. You can see how cold it is down here. You can't right now, but it's probably 30 degrees outside. It's probably 10 degrees down here. So this is how it's gonna do here. It is tight already, so that's that. And then I gotta do from here to there. And then we're done down here, except for the PV. And the PV is just gonna go from that system there up the hole here into the other inverter, because it's an all-in-one unit. There's a charger in it. It's just EP Ever equipment, so it's nothing special. Anyways, thanks guys. Here's the panels. This is where we wanted it, so it's the main disconnect. Got the midnight on there. You just flip her down, shuts off the panels. We only got 3 hooked up. It's the max that the system can handle, really. So yeah, it's about 5:30 at night. Here's the place it's running. So yeah, cool. That's this all finished. Nice and clean. Tested the water pump. Fridge. A couple things are running right now, nothing major. Pulling in 14 amps, 24 volt system, charged to 28.8. We're doing 100 watts on leg 2, 0 on leg 1. Yeah, just nice and tidy. Anyways, thanks guys.